Again, I'm going 16-inch center for my joists. Now the first will be double joists there. And put your mark ahead of your 16-inch center. What's that allow you to do? Give you like a 40 or a 3/4 inch overhang for your planking. Now this first one is a double, and I flattened this thing out on my vise down there, so I can put this cap on the end. These here are kind of tilted back in because of the clapboard here, so I'm just trying to take this crescent wrench. I'm just trying to straighten them up a little bit. Hey, look at that, 16. I know. And I'm just going to stick a wedge in here, just to get this level. That'll hold it there until I get my rafters, or my joists put on. I made a little mistake when I was pouring my footings here. I put a bracket to hold my post, and I put a 4-inch bracket instead of one for a 6x6. So what I did, I just cut a couple of slots, which allowed me to get my 4x4 bracket up in, and then I drove a bolt through and attached it. It seems to be working okay. Now to cut this on length, it's real easy. I just set up the 8-foot 6x6, put my plank up, set my square on top, and I want that deck to run away from the house, so I got just a little slight bubble on that. Bring that up, and I marked, and then I just cut her off. Very easy to do. There, I did that same interlocking that I did on the other corner on the other side of the house where these are locked in, double spiked, and they're not going to let go. Okay, before I put any more planks on, I checked the squareness of the deck, and I got 135 diagonal measurement that way and 135 that way, so I'm right on as far as square. And I put these the strapping on there just to brace it in place so it doesn't move on me. And then I checked it with my level, and I'm just a little off bubble. That's the way I want it. I want it to slope just a hair away from the house, and she's right on. Okay, I cut this here just a fraction too short. So what I'm going to do is lower this construction glue on here. Then I cut a thin piece that I need, giving it the right length. And a small nail just to hold it in place. Hopefully it doesn't crack it. And 64.5. Now I gotta lift that up a little bit. There, the power of wedges. I got a bit of crown in this here, so I want to lower it a little bit in the center. So I have to get up there and put my weight on it.